How does hCG work? Very good question. hCG is the natural hormone produced in a woman's body during pregnancy. It's human chorionic gonadotropin. Now, hCG is very good in your weight loss because it actually targets the abnormally stored fat on your body while still maintaining important fat like structural fat, normal fat, muscle mass. If you were to do it visually, let's say that this is your fat cell and there's fat within your cell. Now, the more we eat, the less we eat, the larger the cells grow because of how our bodies store fat. If you take your fat and actually pull it from the cell, which is what hCG is doing, it breaks it down into approximately 2,000 extra calories that you can use for extra energy during the day. That came from your own fat. It's pretty cool. So when you have that coming out, now the cells can actually flatten. And this flattening action is actually what helps you lose more inches. So once your cells become flat, you are now looking at not just a change in your weight on the scale, but also a change in how your clothes fit, which is really what we're looking for as ladies. So we don't gauge total body fat loss just on the pounds. We're looking at the inches as well. When you come in weekly for your visits, we do weigh you, but periodically we will be measuring you. Perhaps one week you weigh less, another week your clothes fit more loosely. It's a really good gauge of what's happening all around in your body versus how much am I losing? Because as you go through, muscle weighs more than fat. So maybe you're losing weight but gaining in other areas, but you're tighter. That makes a big difference in what the scale's going to say.